how to remove short from this kind of phone. You understand? This kind of phone, how to remove short. So the thing is, if you look at this, you will see there is a black IC here, like this one. Can you see? There's a black IC here. All these phones have it. There's a black IC here. Then this side we have resistor. We have a resistor. This one now is to protect the phone. Is either from high voltage or maybe high voltage from charging. Is either from charging or the battery. Any trigger that will affect this component here, it will first of all affect this person here. This person is just like a gate man. All these two persons here. Look at this one now. This one we don't have. They have removed the black IC. Can you see? The black IC should be here, and they have removed this one. And this one here, we still have the capacitor here. And this one, the black IC is still intact, which the capacitor is gone. So this one now, let me show you why this kind of phone have this kind of capacitor and this IC. This one now, they are just like a gate man, you understand? They are just like a gate man, you understand? Like all those soldiers in the war front, you understand? So before you get to the Oga at the top, you first of all pass through these two people here. So if any voltage that is greater than 5 volts that want to pass through this phone, that will cause maybe anything like short to the phone, it will first of all affect this person. Then this first person will fight the voltage, then the second person will also fight the voltage. If this person fail, then the second person will take over from there. And if both of them fail, which is if they fail, they have died, then the voltage will not affect maybe any component from this up or the CPU. That is why you normally see this kind of phone, they develop heat from here. That was because these people here are weak, or either they are just there, but they are not working again. You understand? They are not just working again. They are just like image. You understand? They are like a status there. They don't work again. So any voltage that will come, that will for them to supposed to prevent, since they are no longer working, it will direct to any of these components here, most especially the CPU. The CPU will now blow up. So the work of this is to prevent the high voltage that will trigger any component here that will affect it. So whenever you have a short on this kind of phone, and if you check, this capacitor here is intact and this black IC here is also intact. So what I want to do as a technician, first of all, read this capacitor both sides and this black IC both sides. I'm very sure you will hear them on that pin side. Set your meter to continuity mode. You will see your meter showing that red sign. It will be shouting pin. So which is the phone is short. So what I want to do is to remove this capacitor and meter that phone again. If you meter it and still find the short, remove the black IC. The short will go. Most especially if you remove this first one, the short will go. If you remove the second one, the short will go. But in a case where you remove these two and still the short is still there, then that means these two here, they stopped working long time ago. You understand? They stopped working long time ago. That is why the voltage affects any component from this side. These are the CPU. So the two capacitors now, they are the ones that prevent short. You understand now? Whenever you remove this one or you remove the black IC, then the short will go. But in a case where you remove them both and still the short is still there, then that means those two, the capacitor and the IC, they have stopped working since they are just there like a status. So that is how the work of this capacitor and what you can do for you to find the short. If you don't have a crossing paste, all those stuff, all those tools to remove the short, so I advise you first of all remove these two IC here, this resistor and or this capacitor and this black IC. So remove them, your short will be gone. But in a case where the short did not go, then which is these people, they stopped working long time ago, then come back here and find the short. That is how you do. But I advise you, whenever you remove all this one and the short is gone, try as possible and replace them, so that when next the voltage will come again to trigger all these people here, the voltage will still pass through. It will have it will see a gate man the voltage, you see a gate man that will guide the voltage before it will pass through the owner, the oga at the top. So do well to replace them whenever you remove them, and if your shorts remove, make sure you replace them. So thank you so much for watching, and share this video and follow for me.